Namaste Namaskarm. Welcome back. This is part 3 of the series, A Proverb A Week. So, before giving you guys the proverb of the week, I would like to sincerely apologize for my mistake in the previous video, and I promise not to repeat it. And I have to let you guys know that I have learned the difference between a proverb and that of an idiom. So, let me share it with you. As you may know from the first video, that a proverb is a short, well-known sentence or a phrase that gives advice or says that something is generally true in life. So now let us understand what an idiom is. It is an expression that cannot be understood from the meaning of its separate words but must be learnt as a whole. So, to conclude, the main difference between them is that a proverb contains a moral and advice and an idiom doesn't. So, moving on to the proverb of this week, a stitch in time saves nine, meaning it's better to deal with problems immediately than wait by when they worsen or become much bigger. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.